Ay nako. Wow, just awesome. Good morning. What is good, Chino Hoodie people? This is Powerful Monks Stress TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix this jam key ignition sa aking motor. Let's go right into it. So napakasimple lang gagawin natin, guys. Sa ngayon gumagana naman siya. That's because I've already done the solution. Kung makikita nyo sa ibang mga video, gumagamit sila ng kung ano ng mga products sa kanilang mga motor na hindi dapat gawin. Ako, ito lang gagamitin ko. Isang pencil na binili ko sa 7-Eleven. Matter of fact, the only thing you really have to do, and this is really easy, is you have to go ahead and basically draw on your pencil. You may have to do this 2 to 3 times depending on how jammed your ignition on your motorcycle is. And it's that simple. So ganun-ganun nyo lang. At pagkatapos nyan, ito lang gagawin nyo. Pasok lang at iikot. Ganyan lang. Again, as I was saying, uulitin nyo yung mga 2 to 3 times hanggang sa maging super easy na siya. And again, you don't have to buy expensive stuff. Most probably you already have this in your house. So yun lang naman po ang gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good